If you've ever saved an HTML file on your computer and wanted to see how it looks in a browser, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to open an HTML file in Firefox using a very simple drag and drop method. This works great when you're testing a web page, checking your code, or previewing a local file without uploading anything online. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the Mozilla Firefox browser on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or applications folder depending on your device. Once Firefox is open, make sure the browser window is visible and ready to use. Next, open your File Explorer if you're using Windows or Finder if you're on a Mac. This is where your HTML file is stored. Now locate the HTML file you want to open. It might be in your Downloads folder, Documents folder, or wherever you saved it when you finished creating it. Once you've found the file, click and hold it, then drag it over to the Firefox window. You'll want to keep holding the file as you move it into the browser. As soon as you're over the Firefox page, release your mouse or trackpad. Firefox will automatically load the HTML file and display it as a web page. This is one of the easiest ways to preview your HTML locally because you do not need any special software or complicated setup. If your file includes images, links, text, or styling, you should now see the rendered version right inside the browser. If the page doesn't look the way you expected, double check that the file was saved correctly and that it has the .html extension. You can also refresh the page after making changes to see your updates. This makes Firefox a very convenient browser for testing simple web pages during development. And that's it. You now know how to open an HTML file in Firefox in just a few seconds. It's fast, easy, and perfect for previewing local web files. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.